Hello traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Wednesday, June 1st, 2011, and this is a recap of my trading day today. Happy to report that today I had my first over $1,000 gain to my account, which is great. Very happy about that nominal return. However, I heard once that a day trader should aim to match the move of the S&P, and the S&P moved 2.3% today, so I should have tried to add 2.3% to my account value, which I didn't get. I probably got more like maybe a percent. It's not too bad. Uh, in general, I'm happy with the trading day today, but I feel like I could have made more if I traded a little better. Excuse me. All right, I'm going to start with RIM. Research in Motion was my successful stock trade of the day. I shorted about 100 shares right at the open, got in on this opening drive play, and shorted aggressively throughout the day on each pullback pretty much. And then finally, when we bounced out of this downtrend here, right here, I covered my short and just let it go for the rest of the day because it never really did anything too attractive for me to get back in it. I did actually try to short it again in here, but covered pretty quickly for pretty much no loss, no gain. When I saw the ADP report this morning at like 8:45, I decided to drop a short position, not drop, excuse me, pick up a short position in UPRO right away. So before the market opened, I shorted 100 shares around 82.42 or something like that. Just knowing that with that bad report out and things weren't looking too good, it was just I kind of got a sense this morning that it was shaping up to be a down day in the markets, despite the strength into the close yesterday. So 100 shares was a pretty light short, even though this thing can move really fast on you. It's a triple leveraged ETF. I was pretty comfortable taking that trade, but then as soon as it worked in my favor, I added aggressively throughout the day. I think the most I had on this was about 500 shares short towards the end of the trend. And I'm going to go down to a 3-minute to show you what I was looking at. There were a couple times where I was disappointed in my trading in that I got shaken out where I probably shouldn't have. Here's what I was looking at, the 3-minute chart of UPRO. And we had this higher swing low and a higher swing high, and in that I got stopped out a little more than I would have liked. I didn't close my entire position, but gave some of it back because I closed a little more than half my position and then reinitiated the position down here. So I gave up, 50 cents in that process, and I did that a couple times throughout the day. So I gotta have a little more conviction to stick with it, especially if I'm sitting on so many profits like I was today. I've been scarred by giving profits back a few too many times this summer, but at the same time, I need to stick with the trend if the trend is showing me that it's convincingly lower, or higher for that matter. But if the trend is convincing on maybe a higher time frame, like the 5-minute looks cleaner than the 3-minute, I could have, if I was focused a little more on this, I could have stuck with that better. No matter how you draw this, it would never really broke it with conviction. Maybe for this 15-minute time frame, I would have been tempted to be shaken out. Actually, that is where I was shaken out at the end of the day. It's pretty much right here around 2:30 or so, around 2. The S&P popped pretty hard real quick. So I covered my whole position. I was up $1,000 at that point, and so I just figured I'd walk away. Looking at this now, if I traded better today, I probably could have made $2,000, but I'm happy with what I did, and I'm still fighting. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow trading some more, and I will talk to you then. Thanks for being part of SwingHigh.com.